everyone. Today we are going to make Manipuri dolls with the help of waste papers which are easily available at home. You can take papers from the magazine, or you can use newspaper, the discarded ones, or you can also use these type of printed sheets which are available at home. But remember to color it with the different colors so that your doll looks beautiful. Yeah. So let's start. For this, making Manipuri doll, first we are going to start making the clothing from the old newspapers. Okay, you can substitute the newspapers for fabric, as you will end up with most of the unusual outfit. Okay, let's start. For this we will require two rectangle sheets, A4 size sheets. As you can see in my hand, you can use any side of the sheet. I am using magazine paper, and one square sheet you will require. And things are very easy. All of us know how to make origami fan, Japanese fan. Yes, that is what we are going to do here. So just keep the sheet in this direction. All of you can see I am using this part so that you can have a nice glimpse of it. Yes, so we are going to keep the sheet, the rectangle sheet or the A4 size sheet, in this direction, and simply what we have to do, we have to hold one part, one end of the sheet, and we are going to fold it inside. Okay, see, like this, and press the folds tightly so that your dress, what you are making, the outfit of the Manipuri doll, it is crystal clear. Yeah, the folds are clear and neat. Now we are going to flip the sheet, another fold like this. Now again flip the sheet, fold it, flip the sheet, fold it, again flip the sheet, again fold it, and please press the folds tightly. Yes, so that your outfit of the doll is neat and creative. Yeah. Okay, again flip and fold, flip and fold, again hold, fold, flip, hold, fold. Yeah, flip, hold and fold again. Yes, you have to complete the whole sheet by flipping and turning. Yeah, you can see one paper fan is ready. Now we are going to fold this paper from in between, from the center, like this. Yes, and what we are going to do next is we are going to take the Fevicol. We are going to put Fevicol here on the innermost flip, and we are going to press it and paste it here, and we are going to keep it on one side. Yeah, okay, let it dry. Now we will take the square sheet. Yes, the square one. What we have to do, we have to fold it from between. We are going to fold it into half like this. Yes, what you have to do, just hold the one side of the sheet and overlap on the till the bottom. Yeah, and press it from in between. Now we are going to make same origami fan. Hold the sheet, fold it inside, flip it again, hold, fold and flip. Yes, hold, fold, press it, yes, hold, fold and flip. Yes, hold, fold and press it, again flip it. Yes, hold, fold, press it. Yes, now again flip it, hold and fold and press it. Yes, and what you have to do, at both the corners we are going to hold the sheet from here and turn it upwards, and we are going to press it tightly. Yes, these are the hands of the doll. Yes, now other side we are going to flip it downwards like this. Yes, these are the hands of the doll. Yes, so Other part is also ready. Yeah. Now we have to make the gown of the doll. Yes. This was the skirt, the frock, the frill of the frock. Yes. Now we are going to make the skirt, and for this it's very easy. What you have to do, you have to just put Fevicol at one corner of the sheet like this, and then you have to roll the sheet like this, like a pipe. Yeah. So you get a cylinder shape like this. Yes, can you see? Yeah. Now what you have to do, you have to make a triangle here. Press it from the uppermost side and make a triangle here like this. Like this. From the other side also same. Yeah. So a big triangle is ready. Okay. And what we have to do, we are going to put here little Fevicol and press it. Here also little Fevicol and press it. Yeah. Yes. Now next step. Yes, this was the frill of the frock. Yes. So now we are going to put Fevicol here. See how I am putting the Fevicol. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not on all the folds, only in the middle folds. That is the 3 or 4 folds. Okay. And then we are going to place it here in the center. Can you see? Yes. And just wait for a few minutes. It is going to stick. Yeah. Just press it very lightly. Yeah. And what we have to do now, hands. Yes. From here we are going to put this strip at the back. We will bring it from the back. Yeah, like this. We will put little bit of Fevicol here. See how I am putting the Fevicol, and I am putting it at the back. The hands are going to be come from the back. Yeah, can you see? It will take little time to set, so no need to worry. Now we are going to take a circle cutout. Can you see here in my hand a circle cutout? Yes, it should be of white color. Yeah, because we have to make the face of the doll. Yes, here I have made the face of the doll. You can see in my hand. Yes, isn't it pretty? Yes, same way we are going to make the face of the doll. We are going to draw eyes, nose, lips. Yes, and I have put little blusher also and a bindi. I have made the hair also. Yes, and we are going to put little bit Fevicol here on the tip of the triangle, and we are going to paste the face here. Yes. Oh wow, my Manipuri doll is looking smart. Yes. And last but not least, okay, what we have to do, you all must be having some handkerchief at home. Yes, even I was having this one, purple, pink. Yes, any color. If you have red, green, yellow, or even black or white, you can use that. Yes. So what I'm going to take this pink one. Okay. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to spread this handkerchief here. Yes. And I'm going to, yes, what I'm going to do, I'm going to staple this part at the forehead of the doll. See how I'm doing it. Yes. We are going to staple it. Yes. If you have you can stick it with Fevicol also, but it will take time. So I have stapled it, and our Manipuri doll is ready. Yes, I have one more doll. I want to show you. Yes, only I have to put the dupatta. For the dupatta, we are using the hanky. Yes. Okay, one more doll. Yes. And we are going to staple this handkerchief. Yeah. We are substituting the dupatta with the handkerchief. And here my dolls are ready. And yes, the most important thing, we have to make the jewelry also. Yes. So You can use different colors for making the jewelry. Yes, you can make the Manipuri dolls wear the necklace. Yes, see, my Manipuri doll is wearing tutu necklace. Yes, so it is all up to you. You can show your creativity. You can take the small cutouts of circles and you can stick here and make the jewelry of the Manipuri doll. Thank you.